Marathon Coach. To begin with, the Marathon Coach showcases a perfect blend of elegance and intelligent design. Inside, the warm suede cabinetry contrasts beautifully with cool textured walls, creating a modern and inviting atmosphere. Sleek matte countertops enhance the aesthetic, while porcelain tiles measuring 12 by 24 inches run seamlessly throughout the living areas, all heated from below for added comfort. The living space features premium leather furniture, including a recliner, a sofa, and an L-shaped dining area, complemented by a stylish occasional table. Entertainment is well covered with a fireplace insert and multiple LED televisions, including a 50-inch screen in both the salon and bedroom, along with a 32-inch unit in the front slide-out. The adjustable king-size bed ensures comfortable viewing while maintaining easy movement within the space.
X Go Grande S1 stands out as something truly different from a typical trailer. Designed by a California startup, it expands to nearly 3 times its original size, offering an impressive 364 square feet of living space. It can be towed by a heavy-duty pickup truck and unfolds hydraulically in about 15 minutes, making setup quick and efficient. Inside, it features a fully functional living room and kitchen with cabinets, a refrigerator, a stainless steel sink, and a practical countertop. The bedroom includes a king-size Murphy bed and a foldable desk, while the bathroom is equipped with a shower, flush toilet, and vanity. Additional features such as air conditioning, a water heater, and safety alarms make it feel like a fully equipped tiny home on wheels.
Chris-Craft Motorhome. The Chris-Craft Motorhome delivers a deeply personalized experience, focusing on craftsmanship and individual expression. These vehicles are designed to feel like private sanctuaries, combining luxury with thoughtful design. Buyers can customize nearly every detail, from the chassis and transmission to high-end kitchen appliances and bathroom features. Each motorhome is built with premium materials and carefully planned layouts, ensuring that long journeys feel as comfortable and familiar as being at home.
Brabus Big Boy. The Brabus Big Boy is a bold and impressive motorhome inspired by one of the largest locomotives ever built. Measuring 12 meters in length, it offers over 30 square meters of living space. With 2 electric slide-outs on each side, both the bedroom and living area expand significantly to enhance comfort. Inside, the living room features 2 luxurious sofas upholstered in signature gray leather with a unique quilted design. The kitchen is modern and fully equipped with an induction hob, oven, dishwasher, and a spacious refrigerator with a freezer. Advanced climate control systems ensure a comfortable environment throughout the year. Dembell RMV. The Dembell RMV, priced at approximately $1.2 million, feels less like a vehicle and more like a high-end mobile residence. Stepping inside reveals an interior that resembles a 5-star hotel, complete with a full kitchen, a king-size bed, and a spa-style bathroom. The design is highly customizable, allowing for additional features such as a hidden queen-size bed and multifunctional furniture. Advanced smart home systems and modern security features further enhance the overall experience, ensuring both comfort and safety during travel.
The Newmar King Aire. The Newmar King Aire represents the pinnacle of luxury travel for those who expect the very best. Built on a powerful chassis with a 605-horsepower engine, it provides a strong and reliable foundation. The exterior stands out with custom paintwork and unique graphics, giving it a distinctive appearance. Inside, a high-capacity lithium battery system powers multiple air conditioning units and premium appliances, even when off-grid. Entertainment is a major highlight, with multiple high-resolution televisions, including a large 65-inch display in the main living area.
Will Smith's RV. Will Smith's custom RV, known as the Heat, is a two-story mobile mansion that completely redefines luxury travel. Built on a semi-trailer platform, it expands to offer around 1,200 square feet of living space. Inside, it includes a full kitchen, a master bedroom with a king-size bed, a private screening room, and a bathroom with a steam shower. The upper level functions as a separate living space, making it feel more like a luxury apartment than a traditional motorhome. Hymer Vision Venture. The Hymer Vision Venture is designed for both comfort and adventure, built on a robust platform with enhanced off-road capability. Its interior is spacious and thoughtfully arranged, featuring a fully equipped kitchen, a dining area, a bathroom with a shower, and comfortable sleeping quarters. Innovative technologies such as solar panels and energy-efficient systems reduce environmental impact while improving fuel efficiency, making it a more sustainable option for long journeys. EleMMent Palazzo. The EleMMent Palazzo is a futuristic motorhome known for its striking design and luxurious features. With a sleek, aerodynamic exterior, it often draws comparisons to high-end sports cars or yachts. Available in lengths ranging from 12 to 20 meters, it offers a spacious interior with extensive living and entertainment areas. Built for both comfort and exclusivity, its price can range from several $100,000 to well over $1 million, depending on customization. Thor Vision Vehicle. The Thor Vision vehicle introduces a modern electric approach to RV travel, offering a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge. Built on a specialized platform, it includes an electric drivetrain that powers the trailer's wheels, improving overall efficiency. It also features remote parking capabilities, allowing users to position the vehicle without the tow truck. Inside, the design remains practical yet comfortable, with a kitchen, sleeping area, and a smart sound system that simplifies control of onboard features. CAMI TerraWind. The CAMI TerraWind is a unique amphibious motorhome that can travel seamlessly on both land and water. Built on a custom chassis, it includes a master suite with a queen-size bed, a fully equipped kitchen with premium appliances, and elegant granite countertops. With a simple command, it transforms into a watercraft capable of cruising at speeds of up to 7 knots, offering a truly one-of-a-kind travel experience. Furrion Elysium. The Furrion Elysium is a concept motorhome that takes luxury to an entirely new level. One of its most impressive features is the rooftop sky deck, which includes a helipad, a hot tub, lounge seating, and a fully equipped bar. Measuring about 45 feet in length, the interior is equally advanced, with a spacious living area, modern kitchen, and smart home controls that allow users to manage lighting, temperature, and entertainment with ease. Surf Hotel. The Surf Hotel is a creative concept designed for adventure lovers, combining the excitement of surfing with the comfort of a mobile hotel. Built from a converted truck, it includes multiple bedrooms, a shared living space, a kitchen, and even a rooftop terrace. Its mobility allows guests to travel between surf locations without worrying about accommodation, offering a unique and flexible travel experience. Volkner Performance S. The Volkner Performance S is a standout motorhome known for its advanced engineering and refined interior design. It features custom-built furniture, high-quality materials, and a premium sound system developed specifically for the vehicle. The overall design creates an atmosphere of luxury and sophistication, making it feel like a high-end apartment on wheels. Hymer MLT 580 Cross Trail. The Hymer MLT 580 Cross Trail combines off-road capability with comfort and independence. Equipped with all-wheel drive, it is designed for rugged terrain while maintaining a luxurious interior.
Features such as solar power and advanced battery systems allow for extended off-grid living. Safety technologies and driver assistance systems further enhance convenience and reliability.
Sealvans Amphibious. The Sealvans Amphibious trailer offers a compact yet versatile design that functions both as a travel trailer and a boat. It can accommodate up to 4 people and includes a small kitchen, a functional bathroom, and convertible living spaces. On water, it can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, powered by either a traditional engine or an electric motor.
Houseboat Classic 180. The Houseboat Classic 180 provides a spacious and luxurious living experience on water, with approximately 450 square meters of space. It is designed for year-round living, featuring modern construction and premium materials. Dual engines allow it to cruise comfortably at 10 kilometers per hour, with a top speed of 16 kilometers per hour. Large glass panels offer stunning water views, while the interior includes a fully equipped kitchen and elegant living areas.
Rioja Bespoke Projects. Rioja Bespoke Projects specializes in custom-built luxury vehicles that feel like upscale apartments on wheels. One of their standout models features a 2-story layout with a central lounge, multiple bedrooms, and a fully equipped kitchen. The design includes high-end furnishings, a jacuzzi-style bathroom, and advanced technology, creating a comfortable and luxurious travel environment.
Starliner SL25. The Starliner SL25 is a compact yet luxurious motorhome, offering premium features in a sleek design. It includes 2 queen-size beds, a full kitchen, a lounge area, and even a dedicated space for a vehicle garage. The interior is carefully designed to maximize both comfort and functionality, making it ideal for extended travel.
Marchi Mobile. Finally, Marchi Mobile delivers one of the most extravagant motorhomes ever created. Built to order, it features a 2-story design, multiple climate zones, and a cockpit inspired by aircraft technology. The spacious interior, complete with a fully equipped kitchen, large bedroom, and advanced entertainment systems, offers more than 730 square feet of living space. It represents the ultimate expression of luxury on the road.